Alright everyone, this is just going to be a video of how I got all this stuff wired up. So, just gonna flip it over. Here's what the back looks like. It's all these set up. So for my power source, I'm using this 9-volt DC plug power adapter. Well, the way you can tell, on every plug, it'll tell you its voltage. The input is 120 volts AC, the input. The output is 9 volts DC. So, there's my pull station, there's my fire alarm. How it all works is, I wire it up, go into a circuit. See, there's some bundles here, wire nets, these things, these yellow things, this metal piece here. This metal piece that I have right here, so that way it's secured. So, there's the fire alarm. There's the two wires. The positive wire and the negative wire, I think. So these wires, so you can tell with these wires here, notice about these wire, the wire from your transformer, it has white straight lines on it. So that's to let you know it's positive. So I can just gonna tie these wires up and put this wire up to the positive. Well, it doesn't matter which wire, but it still goes to the positive because this black wire is the positive. And the other wire would have to be negative. And here's these thingies here. That's to keep safe from these sharp screws. Anyways, that's how I got all this stuff wired. So I guess have a nice night.